How to turn on call forwarding on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Scroll down the main list of settings until you find and tap on Phone. This page allows you to manage settings related to your calls, voicemail, and other phone features. Scroll down until you see the Calls section. From this list, tap on the Call Forwarding option. Wait for the next screen to load, and you will see a toggle for call forwarding. Tap the switch to turn it on as shown. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device. Following these steps, you can easily turn on call forwarding on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.